Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical tutorial, how to transfer Solana from Binance to Bitrue in 2025. Whether you're looking to diversify your crypto holdings or just switch exchanges, this step-by-step guide will make the process smooth and hassle-free. Solana is one of the fastest growing cryptocurrencies, so knowing how to move it securely is essential. Before we jump in, make sure you have accounts set up on both Binance and Bitrue, and that you have some Solana in your Binance wallet. Also, double-check that you're using the Solana network for this transfer to avoid any complications. First things first, log into your Binance account. Once you're in, head over to the Wallet section at the top of the page. From there, select Spot Wallet, or Funding Wallet. That's where your Solana is stored. Now, find Solana in your asset list and click on it. You'll see an option for Withdraw. But before you proceed, you need the receiving address from Bitrue. Switch over to your Bitrue account and log in. Go to the Assets, or Deposit section, search for Solana, and select the deposit option. Make sure it's set to the Solana network. Bitrue will generate a unique wallet address for you. Copy that address carefully. It's crucial to get this right to prevent any loss of funds. Back on Binance, paste the Bitrue address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of Solana you want to transfer, but remember to leave a little extra for network fees. Binance might ask for a 2FA code or email confirmation for security. Always enable two-factor authentication if you haven't already. Once everything looks good, hit Confirm and review the details one last time. After initiating the transfer, it usually takes a few minutes to a couple of hours for the Solana to appear in your Bitrue wallet, depending on network congestion. Keep an eye on the transaction status using a blockchain explorer like Solana's official site. Pro tip: always start with a small test transfer if you're new to this to ensure everything works. And there you have it. That's how you transfer Solana from Binance to Bitrue in 2025. It's a straightforward process, but staying vigilant about addresses and fees is key to keeping your assets safe. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more crypto guides, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.